Hey, what's up everybody? Today is one of my two last days in Poland. I'm with my dad here today. We arrived in Stegna, which is like a small town next to the Baltic Sea. This is like my memory from the childhood, you know, but it's nearly November and it's very cold and the weather is bad and the waves are big, but I want to show you the Baltic Sea today. At least a little bit of the Baltic Sea, even it's called still worth to show you. And this is what I'm talking about, Stegna, and that's the beach. But I gotta tell you, there's nearly the storm situation. Not too many people, but I'm gonna get down anyways. That's the entrance from the wooden stairs to the beach. It's completely off season, like literally off season, but sea is, is healthy in general. And I just want to show you, this is like considered as the rainy season, obviously, because it's actually rainy, but the beach is clean. No rubbish here, if you know what I'm talking about. The forest, actually the sea in Poland is like this one. You have a sandy sand, sandy sand, as you can see, very soft. So there is sandy sand, there is the, attractions. Normally there's so many people during the summer. Waves, Baltic Sea, sometimes there are some boats, fishermen. But after that, there is just the forests like this one. So it's very, very natural. And of course, will be a little bit of the village where you can buy some, restaurants, bars and stuff like this one. But right now, it's only some people. Oh my God, my dad's showing me there is guy in the water. Here we go. Crazy. You see that? Crazy. Okay, that's cool. Very cool. So there is the guy. He was just swimming in this water. It's 8 degrees, but I don't know what's the water actually temperature. Maybe it's okay. And that's the waves. Basically, only some people coming here to have a look. This is actually what's going on. You can actually walk and walk and walk continuously for I don't know how many kilometers. If you go that direction, there will be Russian border, obviously, with the Kaliningrad, Krulevets, but that's so far. And if you go that one direction, you can go up to Gdańsk, basically, up to Gdańsk city. So, plenty of options. I just wanted to show you. It's rainy season, but look how clean the water it is here. And maybe a little bit of the sand of the ocean, actually of the Baltic Sea. So basically that's the Baltic Sea, guys. What I'm gonna tell you, beautiful. I mean, the Baltic Sea is very specific. It's not the Indian Ocean, it's not the other beach in tropical countries or islands like Bali or something, but it's also clean and very enjoyable. Just here, if you wanna swim in the water and enjoy the sunshine and the heat of 35 degrees, yes, we have it. The heat's like this one. It's from June, July, August, and pretty that's it. But June and September is like so-so, but July and September is like a proper holiday season. So you can come and enjoy. So also that's the place, but there will be millions of people, like in Kuta, caravans, the umbrellas, everyone will be here, but during the July and August. But there we're going where my papa is already going because it's cold. There's the village, you can buy the fried fish directly from the Baltic Sea. or from the grill and the other foods and the bars and the drinks, everything up there. So there will be no sellers here, except somebody gonna bring the fridge, you know, like in the case, like an esky box, and gonna try to sell you, but there will be no stalls like in Kuta. So that's the vibe of the Baltic Sea. But I believe everywhere in Baltic Sea in Europe will be similar, at least in Baltic Sea. Mediterranean Sea, whereas the, let's say, Spain, Italy and stuff like this one, different little bit, but here will be like this one. I will show you anyway what's going on there, even not much, because most of the things are closed already. This is, well, 21st of October, so end of October, end of season. Basically, last shot, I'm gonna show you direction of Gdańsk. I think in the background there, very, very far in the background is the Gdańsk city. It's about, I don't know how many kilometers, 50, maybe something like this one. And that's the one of the boat, fisherman boats left here, the wooden one. Here you go. Like this one, I think this one is already abandoned one. The soft sand everywhere, basically everywhere will be soft sand, as you can see, like this one. And that's the nature, and then there is the village where I'm going now. This is the old machine actually, what you were by hand were pushing the boats on the cable, on the rope actually. So this one is actually as the memorial one, nobody is doing that anyway, but it was like this one, obviously, right? And that's the last shot actually of the Baltic Sea, so bye bye. Basically one of the places here are still open. There is the one restaurant, you can still buy the fish if you want, but overall feels cold here, and generally it's like, you know, off season. What I'm gonna tell you, normally will be millions of people here, but it's still actually nice as it's open, as it's not totally closed and somebody's coming here, yeah, basically like this one. Yeah, this place is open, one of the bars here, Bar Bosmański. Basically you could buy yourself the fish and something. And there are some people who are living here. First of all, some people still coming for a weekend, staying in the apartments here, and some of them, they are just simply, they are local villagers here, who are living here. And that's the very old stone roads from the era, you know, when it was like this one. So if they still keep it here. And all of this is open. They are like, I mean, now it's closed, but normally there inside there is like a place where you can open your camp. As you can see, the camper vans over there that somebody left over winter. And then the houses, wooden houses for rent. Even there in the background is the playground and everything. So during the summer, a lot of is going on here. That's the main place actually where the action is going. All the restaurants and the bars normally are open here, but like I said, not anymore, but like souvenir stores and everything. So basically, I know it looks a little bit sad right now, but this is just simply off season. But during the summer, you can imagine what's going on here. Hopefully, one day I can come here, perhaps with Winnie maybe, and show you around. And normally also all of those parking zones and lots coming like 5 kilometers that way through the forest. That's the situation. Oh, here you can rent the place. Actually, this is like, somebody's inside, actually. Ja nie podglądam, po prostu są w żonie. Somebody, my dad said, don't film people inside the room. What I gonna do? Yeah, oh, there's actually something like a restaurant. Actually, one of the restaurants, there probably aquarium is open. We can actually have a look a little bit. Right now, yeah, just this one. All of them, they are closed, but one of them should be open. Very similar style to Gdańsk, or somewhere where inside there will be like a fireplace on the tables actually. So even you come here, they will be warm. So, you know, ice cream, stuff like this one. This one is open. There's somebody actually inside. As you can see, yeah, there are some people. Actually, to be honest, there are many of them, they open. I could say 50-50. And this one is open. This one is with open air still. As you can see, the fireplace with the gas and the sign of the fish, basically over there. As you can see, mostly you will find the fishes here. Also, I'm gonna show you the menu here, in case if you would like to see. You cannot see much. So I could say if you come here during this season, off season, you can still find some people roaming around, especially on the weekend, and some places still open. But during the summer, it's like a very very busy. So behind me there are some apartments. Obviously situation looks like this one, so you can come here, land something here during the summer right now. But this is like a small town. If you're going planning to go where is the like a holiday hotspot, like with so many people around, you have to go to Sopot, Gdańsk, Kołobrzeg, Władysławowo. This is like already the capital of the tourism here, but this is like a small town called Stegna, but very enjoyable. Either way, this is one of my last days in Poland. Actually tomorrow is one full day, and next day at Monday morning I'm going to Warsaw Airport and I'm flying back to Bali through Singapore. So I hope so you enjoy the Polish series so far. Let me know, guys, what do you think. But for now, since we are here, I'm going still to see my brother Martin. He is living actually like 50 kilometers from here in the very northern part of Poland. So I would just want to spend like the last few hours, few days, actually last day, some hours with my family. My mama is not here with us today because she's busy doing something, so I'm just only with my dad. Gonna stroll around a little bit. That's the forest situation here and the parking lots, but the beach itself is clean. And so many of you guys who didn't have an idea, we're having a beach here and the Baltic Sea in Poland. Looks like this one. It's clean, it's nice, it's very enjoyable. Just during the winter it will be cold. So hope so you enjoy the Polish series. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this one. As I said previously, I will go to see my brother and then I will see you tomorrow. I expect to see you tomorrow on next one. So see ya, take care.